In Alabama, Chet Atkins and Buck Owens were judging musical skill. In Tennessee, Ernie Ford and Conway Twitty were up on Faith Hill. I sat and listened to Shania Twain, B.J. Thomas, Emmylou Harris, rehearsed backstage with Clint Black, Darius Rucker, and Randy Travis. Fans wore t-shirts of Garth Brooks, Kenny Rogers, Travis Tritt, not to mention Crystal Gayle, Carrie Underwood, and Taylor Swift. Got autographs from Flats and Scruggs, Tammy Wynette, Big and Rich. Charlie Daniels and Charlie Pride did shots with the Dixie Chicks. Johnny Cash and John Denver inspired Brooks and Dunn. The Judds followed the path of Patsy Cline and Dolly Parton. I interviewed the Oak Ridge Boys and Glenn Campbell at Whiskey Falls with the Statler Brothers and Barbara Mandrell. Los Lonely Boys and Keith Urban tour with the Colemen. To speak to ZZ Top or Charlie Rich, ask Willie Nelson. Talking live shows, Hank Williams Jr. and Rascal Flatts raising Cain, like the old days with Merle Haggard and George Strait and Carolina Rain.